أولئك هم الكافرون حقا وأعتدنا للكافرين عذابا مهينا.
It is they, indeed they, who are beyond all doubt unbelievers. And for the unbelievers we have prepared a humiliating chastisement.
والذين آمنوا بالله ورسله ولم يفرقوا بين أحد منهم أولئك سوف يؤتيهم أجورهم وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
For those who believe in Allah and His messengers and do not differentiate between them, we shall certainly give them their reward. Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate.
يسألك أهل الكتاب أن تنزل عليهم كتابا من السماء فقد سألوا موسى أكبر من ذلك فقالوا أرنا الله جهرة فأخذتهم الصاعقة بظلمهم ثم اتخذوا العجل من بعد ما جاءتهم البينات فعفونا عن ذلك وآتينا موسى سلطانا مبينا.
The people of the book now ask of you to have a book come down on them from heaven. Indeed, they had asked of Moses even greater things than this, for they said, "Make us see Allah with our own eyes." Whereupon a thunderbolt suddenly smote them for their wickedness. Then they took to worshipping the calf after clear signs had come to them. We forgave them and conferred a manifest commandment upon Moses.
ورفعنا فوقهم الطور بميثاقهم وقلنا لهم ادخلوا الباب سجدا وقلنا لهم لا تعدوا في السبت وأخذنا منهم ميثاقا غليظا.
And we raised the mount high above them and took from them a covenant to obey the commandment and ordered them, "Enter the gate in the state of prostration." And we said to them, "Do not violate the law of the Sabbath," and took from them a firm covenant.
فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم وكفرهم بآيات الله وقتلهم الأنبياء بغير حق وقولهم قلوبنا غلف بل طبع الله عليها بكفرهم فلا يؤمنون إلا قليلا.
They have incurred Allah's wrath for their breaking the covenant and their rejection of the signs of Allah, and for slaying prophets without right, and for saying, "Our hearts are wrapped up in covers," even though in fact Allah has sealed their hearts because of their disbelief, so that they scarcely believe.